1-2, 1-2.
Yep.
Big first 10 minutes here, mate. Okay, just keep that standard of what you said in the first half.
Yep. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
It's only just ahead.
Watch that 40-20, that went pushing it hard.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Dave. Oh, no
Run over that.
Work head in, Ron.
Back to that 40-20, okay?
Which way are you going to kick, brother?
Pick it on 40.
Right.
All right, too easy. Okay. All right, we'll wait till we've got a tee coming out. All right. Time you run out there, boys. All right, just wait for me. All right. Ball first. Now! Here! Hold! Go, 1. 17 off the ball! Here! Hold! Go, 2. Out together! Hold here. Go, 3.
Just watch that dissolving of the 10, mate.
Yeah. Stand now! Hold! Go, 4. Outside. Five last, up now! Go, nothing late.
He's good, he's good.
Off the post, play on. I've got grounded first by Mackay. Then Tweed come through, so I got a goal on drop out. So he's placed it down first, then you've come through. On and behind. Wait here. Yeah. There we go. Up now! Here. Go, 1. Stand now! 1 for the line. Go, 2. Play on. Keep going. Still 2. Release him! 1 foot. Don't dive in. Go, 3. Keep going. That's fine. That's a try.
Good here.
I had a mind blank. I saw it and I couldn't verbalise it.
I was wondering why there was a pause.
I had a mind blank. I was like, I saw it and I was just like, blah, blah, blah. Couldn't say it. Sorry about that, boys. Yeah, there, mate. Are you trying to talk, Sad? No.
Yeah, just keep an eye on that dissolving of the 10, mate. Your distance good, but
Yeah.
you're just moving a little bit too early.
Okay. Oh, yep, that snuck in. Time you run. Come on.
Come on,
Yeah. Lost it. You lost it. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
That's right, that's right.
As you grasped possession, it rolled under you. Okay, like that. Knock on.
Unlucky, unlucky. Oh,
In here.
what's Ron doing?
Okay. Yeah, it's on the outside, 2 ends square. Okay. Come in, come together. All right, wait. Feed. Out! That's fine. Keep going. Keep going. Stand now! Here! Hold! Hold! Go. 1. Up now! 1 foot. Go. 2. That's fine. Hold! Release! Go. 3. That's fine. Short! Up now! Go. 4. That's fine. Keep going. Last tackle now! 1 foot. Go. They're fine. Play on. All backwards. Stand now! Go. I'll wear that. 1. 15, move away! Here and hold. Go. 2. 18 and 9, release! And square, hold. Go. 3.
3, mate.
Yeah, 3. 11 now! Go. 4.
That's better, mate.
Last tackle together! Go. Nothing late. Play on, charge down, play on, knock on. This is 0 coming.
0's coming, mate. 0's coming.
Toby, move! Go.
14's off. That's 0.
0. Stand now! Here. Hold. Go. 1. Out now! Go. 2. Outside, that's fine.
15 on your right, mate.
Stand now, Isaac! Go. 3. Stand now! 1 foot, don't dive in. Go. 4. That's fine. Keep going, knock on. All right, come together. 2 ends again, Toby. All right, hook your arms around. Second row's arms around. Lock head in. Arms around lock. There we go. Hold the lock's feet. 2 hands. Feed. Out! Still going. Hold! Release! You shortened it. 1. Don't walk forward. It's 1. Up now! Here. Hold. Hold. Go. 2. 9 now! Here. Go. 3. 17 up now! Use the line. Hold. Go. 4. Keep going, keep going. It's 4. Keep going. That's fine. Keep going. 5 last move! Go. That's fine. No way, no way. You went to him. You went to him.
Sorry, boys.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I'll have him as well. Thanks, Yanni. Yeah, mate.
Nothing to add, Swifty. Just keep it up, okay?
Okay,
Keep
thanks,
working
mate.
hard with the middles.
Yeah. Oh, all good, thanks. Yeah. Ball first, Mackay! Ball first! Held! Release! Go one, don't walk forward, Jack. It's one. Stand now! Here and hold. He's locked in. Hold. Go two. No. Strong. Stand now. Here. Hold. Go three. Up together. Here. Hold. Go four. Outside.
Middle all needs 10.
Middle needs 10.
You got time, mate. Zero's coming.
Let's be disciplined here. Wait. Wait for the kick in the middle with your foot. Stand together. Here, Tweed. Hold. Hold. Go zero. Held. Release here. Hold. Go two. Or one. Sorry.
That's one, mate.
One. Yeah. Jamin up. Hold. Go two. Play on offload. Still two. Blake, release. Here, Tweed. Hold. Go three. Keep going. Three. Keep going. Surrender! Go four.
Right side still
Four.
retreating. 15 never made it, mate.
Over and 10. Keep going. Four.
Involved.
15. You didn't retreat.
Yeah, where you are, Swifty, where you are, mate.
You're kicking for touch? Okay. There we go. Up here. Hold. Hold. Go. 17, release now. Go, one. Out together. 1 foot. Go, two. Keep going. That's fine. That's outside. That's fine. That contact. Try.
Good, mate.
just watch your tackle count on 20-metre restarts, mate. Yeah, sometimes calling 0, then going to 2.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so just remember,
Yeah.
we'll give you a tip at every restart, mate.
Yep. No earlies here. No earlies, Tweed. Up together. Here. Hold. Go. 1. 5. Hands away. Work to me here. Go 2. 5 now. Here and hold. Go 3. Stand now. Hold. Go 4. Last one.
Get in. Go, get up with me, Go.
16. Hand. Your foot was in there, mate.
Yeah, on the ball.
That wind's going too hard.
Nah.
Kick it out wherever you can get it. Just kick it. What are we setting up? Gold tap.
On halfway. Yeah. Hold. Go. Keep going. Yeah.
Let's go.
Scrum here. Over here. Boston, with that one there, that's your foot in the ruck.
I know.
Yeah, you know that. Yeah.
Well, I'm just trying to get up.
Yeah, but if your foot interferes, it's a penalty. Okay, you got to stay clear of it. All right.
Hold him up.
All right. Head in properly, mate. Okay. 2 hands. Out. Oh, sorry. Keep going. 12 hands away. Go. 1.
Right side's retreated.
Yeah. Stand now.
Go, let's go.
Here. Hold. Go 2. Don't walk forward.
One out. Campbell.
Hold. Release. Go 3. Outside. It's all defensive. Play on. Try. Not held. No way. No, thank you. He wasn't held. He broke the tackle. No. Mark's there. Okay. Yeah, no, I'll explain. Okay. So, he broke the tackle. As he, no, the hand slipped off. Okay. Momentum was still going. He got up to go again. That's when the hand went back on him. Okay. Therefore, he's allowed to play on. Okay.
I swear our legs man had his.
No. Okay. The legs man slipped off as he was getting up again. Then hands rejoined. He'd already commenced his second motion, which is he's allowed to do because there were no hands on him.
Yep.
That's when he put the ball down. Okay, he's allowed to do that. He broke the tackle, hands came on him as he was playing on, then he put the ball down. No, it's all good. Nice.
Hey Jack, maybe stay short here and I'll go deep.
No piggyback.
Time you run. Keep going. That's fine. Still going. Stand now! And square. Hold. Go one. 10 hands away. Play the ball. Go two. Stand now! Pass the line. Hold. Go three. 10 now! Here. Go 4, 10, go 10. Middle, give 10.
It's 10.
Middle, give 10,
11's
Boston.
good, 11's good.
11's fine. They're fine. Two. Two. Time out. Two. Boston, come here. Time out.
Flip the team, seriously.
Can you hold that, Mark? Thank you. Go back 10.
Listen. We have a chat after this talk.
Okay. Shoulder charge. You're on report. Okay. I don't need the stuff after it either. Okay. You came flying in with that. Okay. It's unnecessary and it's dangerous.
Just on that, our boy's coming in, he can't really get his arm around if our player's next to him, so he's trying his best to get in there. If he's
No, he
falling
came
down,
flying in like that.
he
Okay.
came with his arm down like this, he's going to grab him around. But I know what you mean.
It's dangerous. Okay. It's dangerous. It's on report.
Just make sure the players are on side, Swifty.
Dangerous. Yeah, it's on report.
Power and black.
There we go.
In the middle, mate.
Wait. Wait. Go. Still going. Stand now! Left side. Go, one. Up together! Here and hold, Blake. Hold. Go, two. Boston, hands away! Go, three. Jack, now! Go, four. Held! Last tackle! Play the ball. Go. Chase is good. Chase is good. Stand now! And square. Hold! Hold! Go, one. Up together! And square. Go, two. Keep going. Up again! Hold! Go, three. Inside! Inside!
Chase is good.
Chase is
Toby's
good. Toby, move! Square, hold! Go, one. Strong. Stand now, Boston. Square, hold. Go, two. Jamin, release. Hold here, hold. Go, three. Boston off the ball. Use the line, hold. Go, 4. Play on. Play on. Still.
Mate.
Play on. Last tackle. He knocked the hand down. It's last tackle. Knocked the hand down.
He knocked the hand down. The Tweed heads fella got it, and then he
Change
stripped
over.
it. He stripped it back off him.
Change over.
He hit it out of me.
No, change over.
Who cares, man?
Change over there. There we go.
Ref, wouldn't it either be a knock on from us if it's propelled that way?
Change over. Moving on. Just wait, wait. 8, go square. He's on the mark. Right, hold here. Where you go? Hold. Go. Stand now. Leg pull. 9. Yep. There you go.
On the line.
Hold. Go. Stand now. Use the line. Hold. Go. Leave it alone.
Watching this. I'm watching
Leave
this,
it.
Thrifty. I got it. I got it.
Up now. Isaac, leave it alone.
Okay, we need time out here.
No. Time out. Tackle 2. Just wait. Leave the ball there.
Come on, Big J. What is it?
Zayden, what do you got?
Where's 2 open hand? Hit. Wait, just go back.
Go back 10. Go back 10. Leave the ball there. You got a penalty?
No punches, mate.
Yeah. Go back 10. Yeah, leave the ball.
No punches. I've got number 9 running in. Something at the ruck must have happened. He's went in, pushed number 3. Number 3 reacted.
Okay, so number 9. Okay.
Yeah, just have a word.
Penalty against number 9. You get the mark?
Yep.
Okay. Boston. Or who's captain? Jamin? Jamin. Isaac. Okay.
Push the head down.
Yeah, no.
In the back of the head.
Your team's got the penalty.
Yep.
Okay. Don't need you reacting. Okay. By you reacting, it can further escalate it. Okay, and it'll lead to people sitting down. Do you understand? Okay, so you got the penalty.
Yep, sweet.
But you need to keep your actions in check.
Yeah, just
Okay.
fine.
Otherwise, it'll lead to
Can you
people
watch
sitting
the
down.
elbows and shit?
Yes.
Can you give
Okay.
them
I'll watch it. Okay. But you need to understand. Okay. I've got control. Do you understand? Okay. Number 9. Penalties going against you. Okay. There was stuff on the ground. There's rubbish on the ground.
When you
Okay.
said
That's
move,
it.
I'll go
Stop.
out like this.
It escalated it. Okay. That led to the push and shove.
To the 2 open
Okay.
hand hits on my
No.
face.
That led to the push and shove. Okay. If you take the game out of my hands, I'll have to sit people down. Do you
I
understand?
understand. I'm not trying to do that.
Okay.
When you said move, I tried to move as quick as I
Okay.
could.
But then there was stuff
He
afterwards.
wants to push
Okay.
me once the play's gone. He wants to push me in the face twice.
The penalty's going against you. Okay. That's it. You got the mark?
Get them
Mark's
penalties out,
here.
Thrifty.
Yeah. There we go.
On the line, mate.
Hold here. Hold! Go. Stand now! And square. Hold! Go. 1. Up together! And square. Don't lock him in. Go. 2. 8 and 13, release! 1 foot, hold. Go. 3. Double movement.
Wow, my arm was up in the air.
Double movement, no it wasn't. It was a tackle, then you promote it. No, it's a change of possession, therefore it's not quick. Double movement. Mark's there. Get behind him.
Thrifty, just push that line back there.
Yeah. Hold the line. Wait. Go. Go, mate. Oh, flags! Go, 1. Stand now, Toby! Here! Hold! Go, 2. Outside, that's fine. 3 coming here. Try. No, it's all good.
Yeah, 5 minutes, Rifty, just keep it up, okay?
Yeah, mate. Just wait, Toby. Wait for the whistle, Toby. Time you run. Stand together. Here. Hold. Hold. Go 1.
He's coming right here. Here he comes. Boys.
Up together. And square. Hold. Go 2. Blake off the ball. Right side here. Go 3. Blake, you're offside. Good now, mate. Two in there. No, 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 mate, no, no. Off the mark. It's over here. There we go. Here. Hold. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stand now! Go 1. Charlie, move!
Sam's got to win this. Tight.
Go 2, Charlie, offside. Keep going. Keep going. Stand now! Right side. Here, hold. Go 3. Stand now! 1 foot. Go 4. That's fine. 5 last!
Come right here.
Go. On the line.
Another try to the right side. You're doing good, G. You're doing good. Come on, come on.
Thanks. There, mate. No. Time you're on, Tweed. Up now, 13. Here, hold. Go, 1. Out together. And square. Hold. Charlie, too long, mate. Wait, no, you got a player in front. You're in front of him. He's in front of you. There you go. Nothing silly here. Hold. Go, nothing silly. Up now! And square. Play the ball, mate. 1, you shortened it. Keep going. That's it, last play. Last play. That's it, knock on. Nothing silly here. Held, 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 that's it. Full time.
Thanks, 50.
Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate.